What's up, everybody? I'm gonna do a little test run on my setup here. Trying to see if I can't get my camera to work at the right angle. I was gonna open a whole box, but I didn't want to waste the whole box. So let's open up a couple packs of Cyber Judge and Wild Forces. See if we can't get lucky and the old Japanese pack. See if we can't pull some of these SIRs out of these 4 packs. Struck out on first Cyber Judge. Sorry, just woke up a few minutes ago. Get my, what's today, Thursday? Yeah. Scyther's a pretty cool looking card. There we go. We got an Ace Spec. Not sure which one this is. Really like the hollow pattern on these cards. Very cool looking card. All right, Wild Forces. Bach. Uh-oh. Go got a regular EX. Nothing too crazy yet. All right, not bad. Pull the Ace Spec. Ace Spec. Very cool looking card. Thank y'all for watching.